Okay, good morning everyone. So today I would like to explain a little bit more detailed about how to make the table of test specification for each language skills that we as English teachers are going to test. Take a look at the first example. So this is the example of language test specification for testing reading skills. You can see here the mode is reading. And the channel is print. So the media for testing the students is through printed materials. Okay, what you have to consider is event and activities and topic areas. You have to make sure for these two aspects, events and activities and topic area, you have to cross-check to your syllabus, to the syllabus as mandated in 2013 curriculum. So this is the book written by native speaker. Therefore the events and activities and also the topic areas are not based on our curriculum. But for sure, you have to check your curriculum in order to decide what event and activities and then what topic areas that you are going to test. So let's see the example. First, the event and activities for testing reading is gaining information from printed materials. Why? Because the media is printed form, right? And the activities, reading for plot and topic. You can use this one if you want to test the narrative reading text, and then scanning for specific information, searching for specific items of information. So it is related to the scanning reading skills, and then understanding timetables, schedules, and graphics, and then understanding notices, descriptions, and advertisements, news items. So these are the examples of the event and activities for testing reading. And the topic area, if you want to test the students of, the school students here in Indonesia, once again, you have to cross-check the syllabus. Don't forget to cross-check to the syllabus. Because the topic area is already mandated in the syllabus. Here, the example of topic area, you can see here. News, sports, drama, commercial products, music, lyrics, current events, travel, explanations of pictures, and diagrams. So these are kinds of topic areas of the test, of reading tests that you are going to give to your students. And how about the format? The test format, because reading is objective test, so the test format must be in the form of objective test format. What are they? It can be in the form of multiple choice items, right? It can be in the form of true false items, or gap filling, or matching test items, something like that. Okay, now we go on to the next example. Yeah, here you can see the modes. Yeah, 3 aspects and 1 aspect for the combination of listening. So here you can see that you can test your students in order to assess the combination of skills, not only testing single mode or single skill or one skill only. So you can test your students in terms of the combination of skills. Here, for example, listening and speaking. So you can read here by yourself. The example of event and activities for testing listening only and for testing the combination of listening and speaking. Gaining information from non-book media. So if reading, you can use printed materials or printed form of tests, but from listening, of course, you have to use this kind of media, because whenever you test your students to listen, it means they have to listen from the recording materials, right? Recording materials can be gained from radio, TV, films, tape, or any kinds of records and phone. So take a look at the activities following 4Gs. So you listen to search or to gain main ideas. Gs is main ideas. TV, film, and telephone. So for example, you listen the conversation from the phone and you have to find out the gist of the conversation. And understanding announcement, news, and interviews, appreciating words of songs and sports commentaries. Take a look at the activities for testing the combining skills, discussing pers and media personalities. So after you ask your students to watch the movie, for example, from any kinds of DVDs, so after watching the movies, you can ask your students to discuss the plot in the movies, discuss the characters. So it means have already tested listening and also speaking skills. And topic area, once again you have to cross check your syllabus to test your school students. So for listening and if it is the combination of listening and speaking, so the test is mainly about speaking, because once you discuss, it means you have to listen first, right? Okay, so that's my example of how to design the test table for especially reading skills, listening skills, and the combination of listening and speaking skills. But not only for 2 skills, actually you can combine all 4 skills. So you have to decide whenever you want to combine 4 skills, how can one single test can measure the 4 skills of your students. Okay? Yeah, I think enough for our today. Thank you very much for listening. Good day everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.